Good evening everyone. I Dr. Gumala Guglia, Associate Professor in Department of Botany, Sangam University, Bhilwara. Respected Dr. Arjun Sir and Vedanta Group who organized such a wonderful international conference, Viksit Bharat 2047. It's honor to me chair a session during the conference, and it's my privilege to review some papers. So starting with the first paper titled Building a New India 2047, developed, inclusive and sustainable, presented by the Dr. Praveen Chandra from the Junagadh, Gujarat. He explored about the achieving developed nation status by 2047. He asked that many potential challenges are faced like the infrastructure development, education and skill development, poverty and inequality, healthcare, corruption and governance, environmental sustainability, demographic dividend and global interaction. He asked that these are the broad area and each would require detailed strategies and implement plans. By focusing on the challenges and creating a conducive environment, India can achieve the vision of becoming a developed nation by 2047. Moving on the second paper titled The Impact of Poor Sanitation on Malaria Incidence Among the Resident Pennsylvania, Montesquieu Country, Liberia, presented by J.S. Kamda from Punjab University. They are basically mentioned that malaria is a major health problem in Liberia as compared to the other part of the globe. They look at how poor sanitation is linked with the increase in case in community. They focus on inadequate waste disposal, stagnant water and poor drainage, create the perfect breeding system for mosquito. They conduct an interview, field survey, local health reports. They analyze the data and find out that environmental factors contribute to malaria outbreaks. They suggest that urgent need for better sanitation, infrastructure and public health education to help the reduce spread of malaria. Another third paper titled Design, Synthesis and Characterization of New 1,2,3 Triazole Derivatives via Click Chemistry Approach, presented by Hardik Kawad and Rahul V. Parmar, student from Monarch University, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. They explore that 1,2,3 triazole are 5-membered heterocyclic compound which have broad spectrum biological activities like anti-tubercular, antimicrobial and anti-cancerous, etc. These triazole derivatives may be applicable in various pharmaceutical industries. Another fourth paper titled The Importance of Music and Art to Develop Cognition Skills and Creativity, a critical study in the context of the music therapy, presented by Dr. Smitha, postdoctoral fellow from the Mahatma Gandhi University, Kottayam, Kerala, India. This paper explored on the benefits of music therapy on disabled at physical, mental and cognitive physiological level. She measured the effect of musical therapy benefits on biological level on the criteria of response of the body motion and psychological. All the research papers are very good, informative. I wish good luck to all the students, researchers and presenter for their studies and journey toward the excellence. I am grateful to Dr. Arjun Dave sir and team Vedanta for giving me opportunity to connect with you all. Best wishes for the success of the conference and thank you.